Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and enabling discoverability. This saves time. On your Android, open Settings, go to Connected Devices, and tap Pair New Device so the phone scans. Make sure the Kenwood is in Bluetooth pairing mode, often labeled Phone or BT. Once done, watch the Android list for a Kenwood entry named by model or BT. Tap it. You do this first because the stereo only accepts connections while discoverable, and Android will prompt for confirmation or a PIN if needed. Once you tap the Kenwood name, accept any pairing prompts on both devices. If a PIN is requested, use 0000 or 1234 unless your manual specifies otherwise. After pairing, Android will ask for permissions. Enable contacts and call/audio access so hands-free calling and caller ID work. Next, on the Kenwood, choose which profile to enable. Phone for calls and media for music. Make sure your Android's Bluetooth media volume is up. Otherwise, you finish by testing both functions. Play a track and call your voicemail to confirm audio routing and microphone pickup. If everything works, mark the Kenwood as trusted or enable Auto Connect so future connections are automatic. If pairing fails, restart the head unit and your phone, then clear Android Bluetooth cache and remove the Kenwood entry before repairing. This sequence resets stale profiles once repaired. Check firmware updates on the Kenwood if problems persist, since outdated firmware can block stable connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.